Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on project 100. I have about 75 of those 100 pages put together. So we're gonna try and put 5 more together. I just finished a video where I did 5, but for me it was just a couple of seconds before I started the next one. For you guys it's gonna be a couple of days, or maybe it'll be over a weekend. I'm not sure, but I usually, when I put page kits together, I put at least 10. 10 is a good number, but I found that, to upload 5 is a good number. It's like a 15 to 20 minute video. So that's why I kind of changed that strategy. So we're going to start with this gray pattern right here. So we already got the one already. And it's starting to get mighty warm in my craft room right now. I want to stick that in there too. It's starting to get pretty warm in my craft room, especially in the summer. I make sure that I go up in my craft room fairly early. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put that with the gray. I go up in my craft room fairly early because even though we have air conditioning, my room is upstairs above the garage. So it doesn't get as cool as the rest of the house. I'd have to make the rest of the house almost unbearable for it to be okay up here. So I don't want to do that. I usually turn on a fan, but to record, I don't want any noise in the background, so then I turn off the fan. So she's getting pretty warm there because this is like the 3rd video in a row that I film. So I might need to take a little break and kind of cool off, and then come back and maybe try to film a few more videos. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I love this. I don't think it'll go with this though. I don't know. I want to flip it the other way. I don't know. I'd like to use both sides. No. I pretty much have enough. Like I have 2 pattern papers. I can try to maybe find one more, but it's really not like necessary. I don't know, that's pretty cool right there. But we'll see. I can put it, and then if I don't want to use it, I don't use it. Oh, you know what? No, I'm going to do this one. Okay. So we're already at 2. And I put a little card in between. Now, I see this sticking out. I had kind of saw this in my last one, and I said, oh no, I'm going to keep it so it's together. I did go find a cardstock for it, so I got the cardstock, and then I see a little bit of yellow here sticking out. Let's stick that in there. So at 3 already done. And that's what I like about using these plastic bags, that these are kits that I already put together. So one, if they don't get used up, they're just gonna sit here forever and ever. But I've already kind of did some of the planning for this, so I can take advantage of that and try to use up some of the combinations that I did before. Some of them I just kind of flip them around or whatever and use that instead. But let me see. There's a little bit of yellow. I really love this sheet of pattern paper. I mean, I have this left. Oh, and this. So let's see if I can find stuff here to make a page. The reason I flip the hearts back over, because I can cut these out and use it with this. Okay, I had to break down and go turn on a little fan because, you know, I was melting. Literally melting. Okay, so a light pink would be nice with this, right? I'm really running out. And when I bring it over, you're going to kind of laugh because you're going to be running out. What are you talking about? Because I have, you know, this is running out. But I'm running out of the colors that I like the really light pink. And I'm kind of running out of that. But I think this one will be okay. Yay. Okay, this one's okay. So, see, I have a lot of the, you know, the darker, but I'm really running out of the lighter stuff. But I found a couple here. See, this is what I was more thinking, but I think I'll be good with that one because this is so pink, such a light pink that it almost looks white. I don't have a lot of those left, but this one will work, so we'll kind of do that so that I keep the other one. So how many is that? 1, 2, that's 3. Let's do 5, and then it'll be like a 10-15 minute. Yeah. Ooh, I like this. Oh, that was the other side of that side. I just used the other pretty big piece on the last layout. So, okay, so we'll use that on this side. I think I want to go, those two don't really go together, but these two surely do. Okay, so let's do that. This goes really well. What about this little guy here that I see? Yeah, like that. No. That's a lot of pattern. You got the floral, the diagonal, the dots. So I think we're gonna tone it down with that. You know what though? Maybe I can put these together. I like words and then some kind of other pattern. Ooh, this looks good with it. Okay, I'm kind of doing 2 at once there, but that's okay. Okay, I like that. Actually, it'll probably go on both. Ooh. Okay, we'll put one. I'll put that with that and this with this one. And now we need some blue cardstock. Okay, so I got 2 blue cardstock and I got the same one pretty much, but that's okay. You know, when you're making 100 page kits, there's only so many colors to go around. So I probably won't even put them together around the same time because 100 page kits should last me, well, I'm hoping till October, because I'm going on a crop and I want to bring at least 50 there. But what I'm going to do is from here till now, whenever I use up some page kits, right away, I'm going to try to keep it at the 100 mark. So that was 5. This is 6. I think we're going to go for one more. And also when you're, you know, grabbing a plastic bag with so many pattern papers in there, You might end up with the same color tones a few times, but that's because the option is not there. But when you're making 100-page kits, it's okay. Or, you know, if you're only making 10 and you end up with 3 or 4, when you add your pictures in it, just make sure it's not all from the same event. And then, or if you want to keep a theme going for a certain event, then that's okay too. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to find another color combo. Let's go with this yellow, I think. I have this because it has yellow and pink and blue, and this also has that. And then I have this, and I think I saw another yellow in there. Yes, right here. Another yellow, so let's do that. Let's throw that blue in there because it has blue. Let's throw that pink. Let's do, oh, isn't that pretty? The soft colors. And then I can try to either do a soft blue for the background or a soft pink. And then we have a little bit of both, all three. That's pretty cool. Let's throw that in there too. It's all polka dots. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. I'll go find a pink. Oh, guess what? That pink stuff is still here. See, that's what I mean. Like, for example, that pink, it just doesn't go. This is almost a peach. I think I'm going to put a soft pink in there. And then I'll also put a soft yellow. I'll turn off the camera and I'll put a soft yellow in there. And then while I'm putting the page together, I can kind of decide if I want to go the yellow route or the pink route. But I think this is 6 or 7 page kits that we put together. I think it was 7. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to add 7 to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here there's only 2, 6, 7. And then next time I'll add 1 there too to make my 5. I kept forgetting about that one. Okay. So I think we're close to, like, we're over 80 pages now. So 20 more. And we'll have our 100 paper kits. And then we'll start putting embellishments. And if you watched my last video, I have, oh, I better put this to the side, eh? I have a, like 4 or 5 videos up, you know, well, probably more than that. 4 or 5 in the last couple weeks. But I've been working on Project 100. I'll try to make sure that I put all the videos in a playlist. Just so you see the whole process. And then I think it was one of the last videos I kind of made sort of a little list of what I wanted to do for each of the page kits so that they're all ready to go. But we're going to stop it here today. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you would mind giving me a thumbs up and subscribing, and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.